Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Friday, June 6, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going?
Hey David, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad. Just need this coffee to wake up, long day ahead.
I know, right? I've got a big meeting later.
Oh, busy day for you too? Got any good news to share?
Not really, just the usual stuff. Did you see anything interesting today?
Yeah, I read something cool about international politics. Some countries are making a new trade group in Asia.
Oh really? Which countries?
I think it's India and a few others joining hands. They want to sell more stuff together.
That's nice. It can help small businesses grow.
Yeah, for sure. Maybe I can sell more products there as a sales guy.
True, new markets are always good. It might mean more projects for me too.
Let's hope so. More work, more coffee breaks, right?
Yes, we need that. Did you hear anything else?
Oh yeah, there's big news in economics and tech. A huge company just launched a new app for work.
An app for work? What does it do?
It helps teams chat and plan stuff super fast. They say it saves a lot of time.
That sounds useful. I'm always looking for tools to manage projects better.
Yeah, I bet it's gonna be a game changer. I might use it to track my sales.
Good idea. Technology is making work so much easier these days.
Totally. But I hope it doesn't crash my computer. That would be a mess.
Fingers crossed it works fine. Any other news?
Yeah, one more thing about culture and society. There's a new TV show everyone is talking about.
Oh, what's it about?
It's a funny show about office life. Like us standing here with coffee.
Haha, that's cool. Maybe we're famous and don't know it.
Right? I'm gonna watch it tonight after work.
Me too. I need a good laugh. Work can be so stressful sometimes.
For sure, we deserve a break. Hey, have you tried this new coffee flavor?
Not yet. Is it good?
Yeah, it's not bad. A bit sweet, but it's okay for a change.
I'll try it tomorrow. I'm sticking to my usual today.
Fair enough. So what's your big meeting about?
It's about a new project deadline. I need to make sure everything is on track.
Sounds important. I've got some client calls to make too.
Always busy, huh? That's office life.
Yep, never a dull moment. Hey, did you think more about that trade group news?
Yeah, I wonder how it will change things. Maybe more jobs for people?
True, and more chances for sales. I'm already thinking of new ideas.
That's the spirit. Keep looking for opportunities.
Always. And that work app, I'm downloading it today.
Let me know if it's good. I might use it for my team.
Will do. If it's bad, I'll just blame the tech guys.
Poor tech guys. They always get the blame.
Yeah, it's an easy target. So about that TV show you watching with family?
Probably just me. I like relaxing alone after a busy day.
I get that. I'll watch with my roommate, see if he laughs.
Nice, it's good to share a laugh. Work can feel heavy sometimes.
Totally. Hey, we've been chatting for a while now.
Yeah, time flies with coffee and good talk. I should get back to my desk?
Me too. Got a ton of emails waiting. Catch you later.
Sure, see you at lunch maybe. Have a good morning.
You too, Alex. Let's get through this day.
Yes, one step at a time. Take care.
See you later. Don't work too hard.
I'll try not to. Good luck with your calls.
Thanks, I'll need it. Have a great day.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.